Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So I have seen that most of our candidates or the viewers are commenting nowadays like we have completed the cognitive round of Accenture and waiting for the communication assessment. Till now we have not received any assessment link for the communication round. Already 7 to 8 days has been passed, but still now we are not getting any assessment link. So in this video we'll be discussing about that, when you'll be receiving the assessment link, etc. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus or the preparation guides, etc. And I have seen that most of our viewers are commenting like this. And yeah, one more thing, so we have uploaded 2 to 3 videos regarding Accenture preparation, like Accenture preparation syllabus and the cognitive round, how to prepare for the cognitive round, and frequently asked technical and the pseudocode questions and answers. So we have also completed and uploaded a video regarding the pseudocode questions and the answers, which was asked on January 2021. You must watch this video if you are going to attend the Accenture cognitive round or the Accenture off campus. So I'll be putting the links of these videos in the description of this video so that you'll be able to prepare for that accordingly by watching our videos. So now let's discuss. So first of all, I would suggest all of you to please be, or you can say please have some patience. I know for 2019 and 2020 batch it is the end, because due to this COVID-19 situation, most of the mass recruiting companies or the mass hiring companies have stopped the hiring process. So it's the last chance, you can say. But if you have to be patient, because if you are eligible for this off campus, that means for the Accenture off campus, then definitely they will be sending you the test link. So for the candidates, those who have completed the cognitive round, that means the technical HR and the communication assessment, it's still pending for you. That means they have already initiated, or you can say already have started the hiring process for you at the middle, or you can say at the you can say after starting the hiring process, they cannot left you at the middle. They have to complete the hiring process. Either they will be sending you the rejection mail, or they will be sending you the test link, that means the test link for the communication round or the technical HR, etc. So for the first time they started hiring in the November 2020, then again they started hiring in the December 2020, then again in January 2021, and now again in March 2021. That means every week they are hiring, or you can say they are conducting the written test, because it is happening in the batches. Already 6 lakh plus candidates have applied for this off campus, minimum 6 lakh. So it is happening in the batches. So you have to wait until and unless you are not you are getting any rejection mail or any shortlisting mail, you cannot conclude anything. So please be positive and have some patience. If they have started the hiring process for you, then they have to end that. So if already 7 to 8 days has been passed, then you have to wait for minimum 5 to 7 days, because recently I have seen that someone commented or someone messaged in us in the Instagram, I guess, that yesterday I received the a test link for the communication assessment after waiting 10 to 15 days. So I asked him to share his experience for the communication assessment. So I believe that it is happening in the batches. So you have to wait extra 5 to 7 days at least, because it's a mass hiring process and most of the candidates have applied for this off campus. As we discussed earlier, minimum 6 to 7 lakh candidates have applied for this off campus. So you have to wait for that. And also I have seen that someone has commented yesterday, I guess, should I apply for the Accenture drive for 13th March, or should I wait for the communication link, as I already completed the cognitive on 5th February and then no response? What should I do? So you cannot apply for this off campus again, because the hiring process is already started for you. You have already completed the cognitive round successfully. You have to go through the communication assessment followed by the HR and the technical round. At the middle of the hiring process you cannot leave, or at the middle after attending the cognitive round you cannot go back again and apply for this off campus. It is not possible, and there is something like called the blocking period. After you are being rejected you cannot apply for this off campus for next 6 months. So you have to wait at least for 6 months if you are being rejected in this off campus or in the previous time. So you have to wait for that. So please be patient. You please don't take any steps that which can later lead to a difficulty, or you can say problem, which may create problem in future. So I would suggest all of you to please have patience, and I would suggest, I have seen that most of the candidates are applying for this off campus by using different email address and different phone number. So it is not possible because PAN card is unique for everyone. So if you are applying for this off campus by using different email address and phone number etc., or different resume, it is not possible because your PAN card is already there in their database. So it is not possible to apply for this off campus again. So I suggest all of you to please be patient and wait till at least for the rejection mail. So I have seen that most of the candidates are commenting like after waiting for this communication assessment for 7 to 10 days, most of the candidates are getting the rejection mail. So maybe they have scored very less, that's why they are being rejected, but you cannot assume anything. So you have to wait for that. If you are getting the rejection mail, then it's fine, and you cannot do any assumption etc. So I would recommend all of you to please have patience and prepare and watch the videos like on YouTube etc. We have already discussed about the hiring process etc. Go through the videos, prepare well, so that you will be able to crack this off campus. Don't be panic, and keep applying for other off campus as well. So in the YouTube every day we are uploading 2 to 3 videos regarding latest off campus. So please go through the videos, apply for the other off campus as well. Who knows, you might get a better opportunity than Accenture. So I suggest all of you to please have patience and apply for the other off campus as well. So apart from this, if you have any doubts regarding this off campus or any other off campus, you can comment in the comment section below, because we are checking each and every comments. So we'll definitely try to help you as soon as possible. So if this content was helpful, please share this content with other job seekers, those who have applied for this off campus or for the Accenture off campus and waiting for the communication assessment, and ask them not to be panic, wait till the end. So if this video was helpful, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be able to get the timely updates. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search or for this off campus drive.